What's going on, guys? Welcome to Forward Momentum. This is episode 4, and we're going to talk a little bit about the front suspension of my vehicle, which is a LEXUS GS400. I didn't do too many things to the front end of this vehicle. I used 18mm roll center adapters and a Megan Racing upgraded front sway bar and KYB XLG struts. These handled very well from the factory, and I didn't want to drop, $1,000 to $1,500 on coilovers. Although I must say I do like the lowered look. I just had a hard time justifying dropping $1,000 on a car that's worth about $3,500. I wanted to be somewhat cheap in that I didn't want to do a suspension drop, but I also wanted to improve the handling performance because this thing tends to body roll pretty bad. And with the Megan Racing rear sway bar that you probably saw in episode 3, and now what I'm going to talk about here, the Megan Racing front sway bar, things have gone very well. So the handling has improved dramatically, and I highly recommend these modifications if you're looking to upgrade your suspension, but you're not looking to drop the vehicle down too much. All right, so your roll center adapter or adjuster is right here. Mine's been installed for, I don't know, 20,000 miles probably. So it's dirty. And then you got your sway bar. This is obviously just one side attached to the end link, and it goes all the way up and it goes through into the engine compartment. I do have one other front suspension modification, and that's the strut tower brace. I got it on eBay and it was pretty cheap. I think it was 35 bucks shipped. Anyway, I thought it looked cool, and I thought maybe it would stiffen up the front suspension a little bit. I didn't notice any drastic difference. Some people say they can feel the steering response improve. So enough of me yapping. Let's check out how this thing performs. And I just want to show you how it handles. Around, so I just want to show you when I go back and forth. It's very responsive.